Hello, Victor. I just wanted to shoot a really quick video, explain a little bit about how you can market your company, Empire HVAC, in the New York and New Jersey area. First off, your Facebook page looks really nice. Looks like that's where you're getting most of your business from currently. I was trying to find you on Google. I looked for Empire HVAC a couple different times and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm not sure if you don't have your business listing created or not, but it was kind of hard to find. So that's the first thing I would definitely recommend you doing, is creating a business listing. When somebody searches HVAC repair Staten Island, so that's where you're at, right? The first thing they get is a couple of ads, and then they get this map pack. So the Google Maps, those are really important. Getting in the top 3 of the map pack will give you a ton of business, because that's where most of the people do call from. So there's a couple different things you need to do in order to create and rank one of these. You just go google.com/business and you fill out all the information about your business name, your business description. Try to make it as long as you can, all the way through 700 characters. You're going to want to have lots of reviews, lots of photos. Every job you do, upload in a couple of photos. That goes a really long way, because it makes Google think your business is active and it's constantly updating. And the more content you have in your business listing, the higher you're going to rank. So having lots of photos, listing all your services, all of the service areas, it all goes to helping you get found online. And yeah, also it's really important to have the right categories. So this one, which is ranking number 1 for this keyword, HVAC repair Staten Island, they have all of these categories for your business listing. So you have one main category, which is HVAC contractor in Staten Island, or HVAC contractor, that's the main category for them. And then all of these subcategories: gas company, heating contractor, heating oil supplier, plumber, or whatever else it might be. Whatever services apply for your business, those are the categories you're going to want. And the more you have, the better, because when someone searches air conditioning contractor Staten Island, then you'll show up. But if you don't have that category, then you're not going to show up at all. And then the next thing to get it to rank after that is, of course, getting reviews, texting every person that you service a link to leave a review. And then the last thing is something called citations. So Whitespark has a good list of citations. Citation is a business listing. So things like Yelp, Yellow Pages. There's even ones that are specific to New York. NewYorkRack.com is a listing for just New York businesses. www.newyork.com. Also listings that are specific about HVAC contractors. Those are really good for helping you rank. Pretty much what it does is it tells Google that your business shows up in a bunch of different directories all over the web, and it will make you seem like a more trusted business, and so it will rank you higher. A lot of these businesses, they only have like 20 or 30 citations. Usually I try to get at least 100 when I'm trying to rank a website or a business listing. So that's the first thing I would do. That will get you customers and continue to grow your business profile, so you don't have to be prospecting as often. The next thing is your actual website. At some point, if you're going to be doing this as a career, you definitely want to build your own website. So I looked up a few of the top ranking websites. This one, Bob Mims, I guess, is ranking right now for Staten Island. So when I looked up, I have a couple of digital marketing tools. This one is called Ahrefs. It pretty much tells me all the statistics of what is going on in this website, what SEO tactics they're using, and how much traffic they're getting. So this guy, he is currently getting around 500 organic traffic every month. So 500 people are going to his website monthly. And the keywords that he's ranking for, so for example, if somebody searches HVAC Staten Island like I did, there's about 150 of those searches every month. He's currently ranked number 1, and about 50 of those searches click on his listing. So that's pretty good. About a third of them, which is pretty common. Usually if you're in the first place, you'll get about a third or a fourth of the searches clicking on you. And so we would want to rank for HVAC Staten Island, heating repair Staten Island. You want to have these exact keywords in the content of your website so that Google knows what your website is about and it will list you as being relevant to that search term. And the other thing, you want the search terms that have the highest search volume, of course, so you get more traffic, and then the lowest keyword difficulty. If it only has a 0 keyword difficulty, it's super easy to rank for. We can usually rank for it in just a few weeks even. If it's under 5, it will take a few months. It's on a scale of 0 to 100. And so 24, a keyword difficulty for HVAC Staten Island, that will take probably 6 to 8 months to rank for with doing SEO. But yeah, so that's the kind of thing we do. There's another one that's for General New York. These guys have a ton of traffic. Yeah, 5,000. Wow, that's amazing. So they've invested a lot of money in their social or digital marketing and SEO. New York HVAC services. So it gets 50 times. They're currently number 1. They get 16 out of 50. So we would go through and copy all of these keywords and make a keyword list. And then I'd write the content based around those keywords, the ones that are easiest to rank for and have the highest search volume. And then we would do other SEO to get that website to rank. And so one of the main SEO things we do is something called backlinking. Don't want to go too much into this because you don't even have a website currently, but if you were to build your website and try to rank for it, we would want to get these things called backlinks. Backlink is pretty much another website referencing your website. So if you have a blog about how to install HVAC in New York winters, something like that, and another website referenced that article that you wrote, and leaves your link on the reference, then that becomes a backlink. It's pretty much other websites referencing you, meaning that Google sees it as telling Google that your website is more trustworthy, your website has good content, your website is a source that other people refer to, so it should rank higher. And so what I would usually do when I'm trying to rank is that I'll take the competitor's backlink and I'll find all of them and I'll try to get the exact same backlinks that they have and link them to your website as well so that you can outrank them. So that's kind of how digital marketing works. It's really, really consistent. Once you get a website ranking, these guys are getting 5,000 searches a month. If they only get like 1/10, 10% of those as their customers, still that's super good. 500 customers a month is awesome. That will give your business a huge steady income of new customers all the time. If you do want me to build a website for you, like I can build pretty much any kind of website, like one of these. I could easily replicate another website that you see and build it any way you like. And it's not too expensive. Right now I'm doing 50% off web bills, so it's been pretty good. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions after you see this. Have a good one.